Want to try camping in some of the deepest snow in Alaska. Oh, check it out. The Snowshoe Hare Trail. Shocked to see anything up this high. Got my avalanche probe. We're gonna go ahead and measure the snow, see how deep it is. Here in the mountains, the wind will pick up the snow from one part of the mountain and drop it on another. So you get these huge variations in the snow depth. That's why I brought this avalanche probe with me. It allows me to easily measure the depth of the snow and probe the snow to see if there's any trees or anything underneath it. Well, this is looking like a pretty good spot. Not sure how deep the snow is, but my probe's only 8.5 feet long and the snow's deeper than my probe. Plus, look at the scenery here. I mean, that's gorgeous. Look how dense the snow is. I'll tell you what, this snow is really strong. I can sense a lot of ice layers with the probe. And look at me, I can stand up on the snow without snowshoes.